How to log into ICDDR B Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into ICDDR B Career. Login in ICDDR B Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit ICDDR B Career, type ICDDR B Career, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the first link, it will take you directly to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your email address and your password. Input the email address associated with ICDDR B Career in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on forgot your password. And if you don't have an account yet, click on sign up. Click on login. After entering your credential, click on the login button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. After entering your credential, you should be logged into ICDDR B Career profile. Here you can view job postings, apply for position, update your profile information and perform other relevant tasks. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.